Regaining access to your hacked Snapchat account.
Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing a situation that can feel quite stressful. You've lost your phone, and now you can't access your Snapchat account. Worse still, you suspect it may have been hacked. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through this. Let's get started.
Understand the issue.
The first thing we should do is understand what might have happened. If you lost your phone, and you're also missing your recovery code, there's a possibility that someone has gained access to your Snapchat account. This can happen if they found your phone or managed to figure out your login credentials. It's important to act quickly to prevent any damage to your online reputation or personal privacy.
Contact Snapchat support.
Your first step should be to contact Snapchat support immediately. To do this, you'll need to access the Snapchat support page from another device. There, you'll find a Contact Us option, followed by, I think my account was hacked. Fill out the form, providing as much detail as possible about your situation. The sooner you get in touch with Snapchat, the better your chances of recovering your account swiftly.
Change your password.
After you've notified Snapchat, try to change your password. If the hacker hasn't already changed your password, this is a quick way to secure your account. You can do this by visiting the Snapchat login page on another device, clicking Forgot Your Password, and following the instructions. Remember, always choose a complex and unique password.
Verify your email and phone number.
Once you've regained access to your account, it's crucial to verify your email and phone number. This will help prevent future unauthorized access to your account. Go to your account settings, tap Email or Mobile Number, and follow the instructions to verify them. No doubt about it, dealing with a potentially hacked account is a stressful situation. But remember, you're not powerless. By acting quickly, contacting Snapchat support, changing your password, and verifying your contact information, you can reclaim your account and safeguard your online presence. We hope this video was helpful. Stay safe online, everyone.